Picarro is a global manufacturer of scientific instruments and analytical instruments. Our products are used by natural gas industries, industrial solutions, and environmental agencies. We detect gases, emissions, and we report into government institutions. Prior to having NetSuite Analytics Warehouse, our reporting was primarily dependent on ad hoc reports and spreadsheets. The decision making was very siloed and disjointed and fragmented in many cases, which impacted our operations and ability to scale globally. It also impacted our customer experience because there were delays in order fulfillment and ability to support and understand their experiences with our product delivery. So we assessed a few products like Tableau, Power BI, and we figured out that we had to invest in connectors, we have to invest in building data lakes, ETL solutions before we actually start getting any metrics or KPIs. Hence, to cut that timeline shorter for us, NetSuite Analytics Warehouse, it was the only choice that came in with no integrations. Picarro has been on NetSuite journey for about 8 to 10 years now. And for us, NetSuite Analytics Warehouse was an organic blend into our adaptation of analytics solution because it was very quick to adapt. I believe it is the only solution out there that offers out-of-the-box dashboards, does not require massive implementations, and there was a quick or a high TCO or total cost of ownership. So it was a natural choice for us. We are in the business of data integrity and data science that our customers rely on heavily. So for us, it is imperative to set the bar high within our internal teams as well. And that's where NetSuite Analytics Warehouse comes in to provide single source of truth for all aspects of business, to analyze data, to measure the health of the business, to understand the insights around what parts of the business is working, where there are opportunities, how you can remove fragmentation and risks amongst cross-functional teams and operate more efficiently and effectively. Since implementing NetSuite Analytics Warehouse, we actually have 70% reduction in generating manual reports. And we accelerated our decision making by 40%. That was not possible before. Previously, the employees were chasing data. Now they are investing their time in analyzing data and finding opportunities, how you can scale the business, how you can remove blockers, and how you can partner with your channel partners, your sales teams, your customers more effectively. NetSuite Analytics Warehouse turns ERP data into insights instantaneously. It's an intuitive platform that we have taken advantage of that has worked very well for our business to solve key problems, to provide key insights and reduce the reaction time that was never even measured before.